Hey guys, this right here is the Foam King Garden Hose Foam Cannon that I bought on Amazon a couple months ago for $35. So far I'm really happy with it. It is all plastic, but it's made of sturdy, thick plastic, and it's overall seems to be well made. I haven't had any problems just yet. It's got a nice adjustable nozzle at the tip that lets you change the foam pattern, though I've always just left it on the default. And it's got this detachable nozzle, so you can detach the nozzle from the foam cannon and just spray things like a normal garden hose nozzle. The nozzle itself just looks like something from a garden supply store, but it's pretty high quality, so yeah, let's try this out and go wash some cars. I first filled up the foam cannon with my car wash soap. Make sure to use a car wash soap that is designed to be used in foam cannons or foam sprayers. I'm using Meguiar's, which is generally pretty good. And now I'm just foaming up the car. This car is pretty clean. There's just some minor dust and dirt. So I'm doing a touchless wash by covering the entire car in some nice foamy foam bubbles. Now that the entire car is covered in foam, I can disconnect the foam cannon itself from the water nozzle and use plain water to rinse the car. It's important to thoroughly remove any soap left, as you don't want to let it dry on the paint, as it will leave residue that you'll then have to clean up. After rinsing the car, it's important to dry it. I'm just using a drying towel to wipe off as much water as I can before wringing it out and wiping it again. This works pretty well, and I do have soft water, so I don't have to worry about mineral spots. But if you have hard water, you want to make the car bone dry to the touch, because any minerals like calcium will leave spots. Now we're basically done and the car looks great. The car does have a ceramic sealant applied to the paint to protect it and make it easier to clean. I'll have a video linked in the description of how I applied it, but yeah, I'm just so happy with how this turned out, and I'll leave a link to buy the foam cannon as well, and see you all next time.